Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We all love those pulaus and biryanis. Today I'm going to make a very special protein-rich pulao recipe and we're going to make this with black chickpeas, that is kala chana. So let's get started and check it out. Let me know in the comment section as to what other interesting or different recipes you have tried with black chickpeas. I have taken 1 cup of black chickpeas, that is black chana, using a 250 ml cup measurement. Wash the chickpeas thoroughly and then soak it for about 8 hours or overnight. Soaking helps the chana to cook faster and also improves digestion. After soaking, transfer the chickpeas to the pressure cooker. Add enough water so that the chickpeas are completely immersed. To this, add a pinch of turmeric and a little salt. Mix everything well. Close the pressure cooker, place the weight and cook on medium flame for about 4 to 5 whistles. After about 5 whistles, turn off the stove and allow the pressure to release naturally. Now let's open the cooker. And you can see the chana is cooked beautifully. It's soft yet holding its shape perfectly. Remove the cooker from the stove and keep this aside. I'm taking 1 250 ml cup of the cooked chana liquid and I'm going to keep this aside to use it later. Let's start preparing the pulao. To the pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, add the whole spices. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 to 3 cardamom pods, 2 to 3 small pieces of cinnamon, 4 to 5 cloves and 2 bay leaves. Roast the spices in ghee oil mixture until they release a nice aroma. Next, add 2 finely sliced onions. Saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn soft and lightly golden. After a few minutes, add 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and 3 slit green chilies. Mix everything well and cook for a minute until the raw smell goes. Now add 2 finely chopped tomatoes, mix them with the onions and saute until the tomatoes turn soft and blend well with the mixture. It's time to add the spice powders. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder. Mix everything well and cook until the masala becomes fragrant and slightly glossy. Now add the cooked chickpeas to the masala, mix it all well so that the chana gets evenly coated with the spices. Let the chana cook along with the masala for a few minutes. This step helps the flavors infuse deeply into the chana, making it absolutely delicious. Now add 1 cup of fresh mint leaves and freshly chopped coriander leaves. Mix it gently. This adds a refreshing aroma and enhances the flavors of the pulao. I have shared several pulao recipes earlier. You can find them in the description below. These recipes are perfect for a lunchbox or a simple home-style meal. Usually, black chana is used for sundal or gravies, but this pulao is a delicious twist. Black chickpeas is a great source of protein and makes a healthy addition to our everyday meals. For the rice, I've taken 1 cup of Basmati rice, again using a 250 ml cup measurement. Wash the rice thoroughly and soak it for about 30 minutes. Now add 1 cup of the cooked chana liquid or water. For 1 cup of Basmati rice, I'm using 1 cup of water is sufficient. Now add the soaked and drained rice to the cooker. Gently give it a mix. Check for seasoning at this point and add a little salt if needed. I'm adding just about 1/4 teaspoon here. Close the pressure cooker, place the weight and cook on medium flame for about 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, turn off the flame and let the pressure release naturally. Now let's check on the pulao. Wow, just look at the pulao. It's cooked to perfection. The rice is so light and fluffy. Make sure you follow all the steps and tips that I've given in this recipe to get this rice perfectly. It's a very simple and easy to make pulao. Just make sure you soak the chickpeas beforehand. It makes for a great lunchbox recipe and it's also a wonderful source of protein. So today I'm serving this delicious chickpeas pulao with some nice fresh onion raita by the side, but you can enjoy however you like. Well, don't be surprised. The flavors are just amazing. Well, if you think you can't make a delicious black chickpeas pulao, well, think again, because here is a great recipe for you guys to try. Such a simple dish with top-notch flavors. So here is a very nice protein-rich meal that you must try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.